Draw learning. Today we are going to draw Naruto while we learn Spanish. This is the face contour. Face in Spanish is CARA. We draw his famous hair ribbon. This is his famous spiky hair. Hair in Spanish is PELO. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. We painted their eyes black. Black in Spanish is NEGRO. Let's go with his legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. We draw the arm. Arm in Spanish is BRAZO. This is his kimono. That in Spanish is said KIMONO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say hair ribbon in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use this color for skin. Skin in Spanish is said PIEL. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Now we use the gray color, which in Spanish is gris. Very good. Let's see if you know the answer. Hair ribbon in Spanish is said CINTA para el pelo. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. Let's go with orange. That is said NARANJA. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.